depan belakang ininya lah. Hố hầu này.
唔係啊，佢有一層膠啊，你刮到佢先。
嗰個青色嘅膠啊。
嘅。
哦。
7蚊咗我刮。
但係呢個唔係你嗰個好 Q 誇張嗰隻咯。
啊，好誇張嗰隻啊。
係啊。
因為佢嘅皮啊好硬啊，所以有一層嗰粒喺嗰度。
quality 啊。係咪一個做電嘅？佢話睇到佢都嚇親嘅。
哦。我用到咁大碌啊！
即係做車用呢啲。
Mas angkat dulu wasnya man.
A very good morning. Ooh, after about 2 months not seeing the car because of the COVID lockdown led by partial retard. I'm glad to see the car well protected. So hopefully today I'm going to show you the beauty of the kill switch. Okay, let's do a one take. Yeah, full of thirsty hippo. Full of it. Okay, one take. Beautiful. Yeah, so that's the beauty of a kill switch. Basically, whenever you are not driving the car, not starting the car, you will basically kill the current, okay, by cutting off that switch and to preserve the battery life. Alright. So when you're not driving the car, you just press this one and it will cut off the current. Woo! Nice. Okay, let's hear the straight 6.4 bit. Twin cam straight 6. Not bad. done. Right, so just a bit of update on the Honda Accord. I haven't been starting it because the carburetor underneath here basically is leaking petrol like a waterfall, so it'll be a danger, it'll be a fire hazard basically, and I'm not starting it. But the battery is still very good because now this car I didn't do a kill switch because the terminal is very easy to handle, so I just unplug the negative terminal and the battery is still okay. So basically they have a green indicator to say that the battery is okay. So the plan for this car is I'm almost at the final stage of sourcing the entire suspension parts. When I say the entire, means the entire, including screw, nuts, collar, all the little stuff, all will be brand sparking new. So when I completed the part sourcing, which I guess will take another few more months, I'll get the car towed to my mechanic and of course fix the entire, rebuild the entire suspension. And I have a new carb. So basically this current carb is a Datsun is a Datsun. The previous owner actually retrofitted a Datsun. So since it's leaking, let's throw it away. Put the original K-Hin, but it's not the exact model, so I'll try to see whether my mechanic can retrofit it, but it is for the Honda Accord, but maybe a different model according to the chassis number and engine number and transmission number. So that's the plan. Won't be driven, won't be started because it will be a fire hazard, but tow the car to my mechanic to do the suspension rebuild, and at the same time we try to put in a new carb so that at least I can start it. And then after a suspension rebuild, I'm going to plan for the whole drivetrain rebuild, engine, gearbox, and then the firewall, of course bodywork, firewall, engine bay, dashboard will be out. Yeah, so that's another stage. Yeah, that's all for now. Cheers, bye bye.